kanina nga, 3 grupo magkakahiwalay nagsumite ng reklamong impeachment laban kay Vice President na naman, Sara Duterte.
Ang walang katapusan, no? The impeachment, attorney. Isa sa nakita ko tong grupo kasama si Congresswoman Leila de Lima.
Yeah, oo. Nagtataka lamang ako bakit naghiwa-hiwalay pa sila. Hindi na lang sila nagkaisa. At pinag-isa ang reklamo upang nagkausap-usap ng husto, niliwanag ang bagong patakaran ng Korte Suprema at mas lalong pinaganda ang reklamo. Dahil lumalabas sa araw na to ay mukhang may technicality na naman. Mukhang may sasabit na naman na complaint dito sa impeachment na to na actually nakakalungkot kung maiintindihan mo ang naging hatol ng Korte Suprema noong 2025 at sa affirmation nila nung kanilang desisyon noong 2025, lumalabas na mukhang merong hindi na naman sumunod sa ipinag-uutos ng desisyon ng Korte Suprema.
Pero gusto ko tanungin, partner, may implikasyon ba kung may implikasyon ba sa paliwanag sa batas o mas lalo lang nilang pinagulo ang pangyayari o sitwasyon na nagtatlo pa sila na grupo?
Yun na nga mas maganda, kaya tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, mas maganda ko ang nangyari dito ay pinag-isa ang reklamo kasi there is only one objective, no, that is to remove the Vice President from office.
Okay.
But the thing is that nag-uunahan, no, nagpapasikatan, nagbida-bida, media mileage. Yun, kasi yung iba gustong tumakbong senador, yung iba gustong tumakbong kongresista, yung iba merong planong politika para sa mga personal na interes.
Yan talaga ang politika.
Yan, kung ikaw ay talagang iniisip mo ay ang kapakanan ng bayan, proteksyonan ng karapatan ng bawat mamamayan, ay isasantabi mo yung mga personal na interest na yan, yung pagpapasikat, kundi ay kakausapin mo isa-isa yan dapat. Kasi parang walang tumatayong leader dito sa mga nagsampa na reklamo. Kanya-kanyang grupo, different factions, different groups. Pero lumalabas ngayon may technicality.
Pero part attorney, pag himay-himayin mo, ano-ano ba yung mga nakapaloob doon na dahilan sa impeachment nila? Of course, yung sa pondo.
Definitely, ang mga hindi ko nabasa yung mga reklamo nila, but if we will go through the provisions of the 1987 Constitution, definitely they use the grounds of culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, bribery, other high crimes. And betrayal of public trust. Hindi sila dapat lumabas dyan sa mga dahilan na yan upang makapagsampa ng reklamo. But the thing here is that they filed the impeachment complaint earlier than February 6 of 2026. Because the Supreme Court in its decision in 2025, sinabi niya na walang impeachment complaint na pwedeng isumite ng mas maaga pa sa February 6, 2026. At yan ay inaffirm ng Korte Suprema in its resolution, in its decision last January 29 of 2026. Ibig sabihin, there was a very explicit dispositive portion which says that the next impeachment complaint must be filed not earlier than February 6 of 2026. Now, I'm just wondering bakit may nag-file ng February 2.
Not earlier than February 6. February 2 pa lang tayo. Yun ang sabi ng Supreme Court. 2 pa lang ngayon 6. Diba? So, bakit kaya dumating sa punto na nag-apura sila ng February 6? Sabi ng ilang grupo ay kasi dinefine ng Korte Suprema kung ano ang session day. Kasi sa lumang legislative practice, ang session day is kung nag-umpisa ka ng Monday, natapos ka ng Wednesday, that is only considered as one session day. But according to the Supreme Court, you should stop that kind of practice.
Kasi it must be, the one session day must be equivalent to one calendar day. Meaning, kung nag-start ka ng Monday, natapos ka kanina, kung continue mo sa kinabukasan, no, stop ka na doon. You need to stop the clock. One session day is equivalent to one calendar day.
Oh, teka, masyadong partner, no? Ayan, mga kayubi, makinig kayo, medyo
Ayan,
talagang
one calendar day
paliwanag.
yun.
Oo.
So, hindi pwede yung Monday ka nagsimula, tinapos mo ng Wednesday, pagkatapos you will consider that as a one session day. Nakatatlong araw ka na Bakit one session day lang yon?
Oh, okay.
Diba? So, sabi ng Korte Suprema,
Oo.
one session day is equivalent to one calendar day. No? Pero walang sinabi ang Korte Suprema that the 1-year ban is lifted on January 15. Expressly, it was provided in the decision, February 6 is the lifting of the 1-year ban.
Okay.
Oh, that is the problem now. That situation where these three groups of complainants, Makabayan, Tindig Pilipinas, the Civil Society Group,
Okay, tatlo.
all of them filed an impeachment complaint against the Vice President.
Sara.
Paano kung yung legal team ni Vice President Sara Duterte prepared a petition to dismiss the case for filing the impeachment complaint earlier
Done.
than February 6 as provided for under the Supreme Court decision of 2025 as affirmed by the Supreme Court itself on January 29, 2026.
Oh.
So what is the possibility of dismissal? There is a great possibility of dismissing all of these three complaints.
Wow. Sabi pa naman nakahanda ang legal team.
Oh, handa sila talaga
Ni
yung
Vice
legal
President.
team.
Oo, palagi ko anong mga...
Diba? Yan ang problema sa
Oo,
nagmamadali. If you
ipafile.
will recall, partner, 2 weeks ago, we were discussing this preparation of the impeachment complaint. We were exchanging opinions na sabi natin, dapat kung may magsasampa, kung magkakaibang grupo yan, closely they need to cooperate with one another. Carefully examine the law.
Yes.
Carefully study the previous decision of the Supreme Court para walang pagkakamali na magaganap in the event that there will be another impeachment complaint that will be filed against the Vice President. But look what happened now. Tatlong magkakaibang grupo nag-uunahan mag-file ng impeachment ngayon against the Vice President.
Yun lang, partner.
May technicality na naman dito.
So, ibig mong sabihin, kapag kumilos na itong legal team ni Vice President Sara Duterte, posible sa sinasabi mo kanina?
If I were part of the legal team, I would suggest to the Vice President file a dismissal of these three complaints.
Whoa.
Ipapile ko talaga yun. Bakit? Syempre, ang una ko, lahat naman ng abogado, even in regular courts, no, ang una mong titingnan dyan, yung teknikalidad, saan mo sisilipin? O may error ba yung kalaban ko? Baka para mapadismiss ko siya.
Oo. Okay, partner, eto, may tanong sa iyo si Call 45. Attorney, magandang gabi po. What if mag-file ulit sila, same complaint, sa February 6 or ibang group naman, may epekto po ba ang 1-year bar rule?
Pag nag-file uli, like for instance, another group will be filing an impeachment complaint against the Vice President on February 6 that will be accepted by the Secretary General. Kasi wala naman, like for instance, kung the same group ang nag-refile, so hindi naman yan sakop ng double jeopardy. So,
okay.
they can refile it. Kaya nga lang, nakakahiya dito. File ka ng file, tapos madidismiss.
Oh.
Parang nababawasan tuloy yung credibilidad mo as a lawyer na sugod ka na sugod para kang Andres Bonifacio.
Oh, yun lang. Eto, sabi ni Marna Nani, Attorney, good evening po. Sabi po sa press con ng HOR, tatanggapin daw yung impeachment complaint from February 2 up to February 6. Kasi nga dahil sa pagpapalit din nung Supreme Court sa session days to calendar days. Oo.
Pwede naman tanggapin, no? Hanggang February 6, actually hanggang February 7 or 8 pag may magpapay ng impeachment complaint, tatanggapin ng Korte Suprema yan for as long as it complies with all the necessary requirements, no, in filing an impeachment complaint.
Oo.
Ang problema nga lang nga dito sa nangyari kanina,
No, wala namang sinasabing maliwanag ang Korte Suprema sa desisyon nito na ang filing of the impeachment complaint may start on January 15. Ang sinasabi ng desisyon, maliwanag na maliwanag sa dispositive portion, February 6 is the start of filing the impeachment complaint. Now, which will prevail now? The computation of the complainants or the decision of the Supreme Court? May definition as to the number of session days. But that is only a definition. But the Supreme Court did not tell us na January 15 ang start. Ang sinabi nila, February 6.
Oh.
Attorney Bueno, law and beyond. Learn the law, know your rights.